How you can create professional eye-popping 3D meta-style ads in minutes by simply pointing, click and building. Create for your own business. Imagine the thousands of clicks these will generate for you. Create for other people's businesses. Can you imagine how easy it will be to sell these to other businesses? Be first. Sell these to 100,000 businesses screaming to get attention, or use for your own business. Extreme ad. Incredible amount of features. Berg feature. 100 single quotes of backgrounds to choose from. Seasonal feature. Seasonal campaigns, new type of ad for every season. Emoji feature. Add emojis, proven to engage users more than regular text. Text feature. Full text editor, edit text, adjust font, size, add bold, full control. Hashtag feature. Add blue hashtags to your ad, keep them realistic. Third feature. 100 seconds of 3D pop-out animations to bring your ads alive. Sounds feature. Add remove animation sound effects with one click. Image feature. 100,000 single quotes stock images plus backgrounds to choose from. Preview feature. Instant previews. Hover over your ad to see the animation in real time. Copy feature. Clone ads in one click. Create something you like. Save for future use. Header feature. Add headers to your videos. Use powerful headlines to get instant attention. Unlimited feature. Create unlimited videos with extreme ads. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Introducing Extreme Ad -3D Meta Style Creator. Collage point and click 3D Ad Maker. Choose from 100 single quotes templates, backgrounds and music. Produces professional 3D style videos within minutes. 1. Choose from 100 single quotes of existing templates or upload your own. Click here right. Choose from over 50 Extreme Ads custom ad backgrounds in one click. Access 100,000 single quotes of backgrounds, enter any keyword and get what you need. Upload your own background image, you have full flexibility. 2. Add 3D engaging animation in one simple click. Click here left. Huge variety, choose from over 50 amazing animations, pick the perfect one for your video. Instant speed. Just hover over to preview the 3D animation, get the look and feel you want. Easy one-click edit and clone ability. Create unlimited videos with Extreme Adz Pro. 3. Choose background music from 100,000 single quotes of royalty-free soundtracks. Click here right. Create the perfect music to accompany your video. Do you want light-hearted upbeat soundtrack? Perfect for vacation leisure style ads. Or maybe you want powerful, aggressive music that is perfect for a fitness challenge. The choice is yours and simply enter any keywords and within seconds Extreme Ad will give you 100 single quotes of soundtracks to choose from. 4. Create super realistic ads by adjusting profile pic and social likes. Click here left. Create instant social proof by adjusting your engagement numbers to what you want. Change username to anyone you want. Upload your exact profile pic to your social profile, keeping congruent increases conversions. 1-2-3 point and click simple to edit. 5. Full drag and drop text editor, emoji and damp. Hashtags. Click here right. Instantly adjust font. We even offer the exact same ones used by FB and Insta. Add emojis to bring your ad to life. Increase and adjust size, underline, bold etc. You have full control. Add # hashtags to create full look-alike ads. 6. Clone and edit videos with one click. Click here left. Clone any videos in one click. Huge time saver. Save this as a template and/or use it to create simple variations of ads. Split test headlines, colors, images etc. with section. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. And after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram, the link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.